Welcome back. PR, Salary and SAC CCP Commissioner Sanjit Rodrigues. With this demand, CCP workers met CCP Mayor Surendra Fatado. Workers have threatened to go on strike if their salaries are not paid. CCP Mayor told them in clear words, no work, no pay. CCP has refused to pay the workers as they were off duty during their protest. Fatado has, however, assured to raise their daily wages.
The CCP daily wage workers are demanding the wages for the days when they were off the duty during their recent strike. Workers with the union leader met the mayor on Thursday.
आमची सॅलरी घालूंक ना आमचीच सॅलरी घालूंक ना थोड्यांची सॅलरी घातल्या मेजॉरिटी वर्कर्सांची सॅलरी घालूंक ना दिस इज अनफेअर लेबर प्रॅक्टीस कित्याक भेदभाव जाता नो वर्क नो पे इज फायन रायट इज युनिव्हर्सली एक्सेप्टेबल प्रिंसिपल पण तो प्रिंसिपल आमकां लागना हांगासर इन नो वे इट इज अट्रॅक्टेड बाय दीस वर्कमेन.
Rani has also demanded the commissioner Sanjit Rodrigues should be sacked.
संजीत रॉड्रिक्स जो आसा तो जो जबाबदार आसा ताका लागून सरकारान ताका जाता तितले बेगीन करपाक जाय काडून उडोवपाक जाय. जे कामगारांचो पगार आडलेलो आसा ते सगळे कामगार येवन आमी हांगासर ठाण मारून बसतले. वील बी डुईंग इट पीसफुली.
However, Mayor Surendra Furtado has made it clear that no work, no pay. He too has demanded that CCP should get a full-time commissioner.
No work, no pay. Yes, we will give the proposal. Let government say we are giving, compensating you. We'll be very happy. So we'll take a resolution and make 300 rupees. I'm telling you now only. Then after we'll make 50 because for me will pay. I'm a full-time commissioner.
A video journalist Tulsidas Chari for Prudent.
Goa experienced light showers of rain on 31st December and 1st January night. A low pressure area formed over Bay of Bengal near Andhra and cyclonic circulation over Arabian Sea near North Maharashtra coast has led to sudden climate change. It was raining in Kankona, Sange, Kepe and Mormugao on Thursday night.
There is a cyclonic circulation over northeast Arabian Sea, that is North Maharashtra, Gujarat coast. So that is also giving some effect on Goa's weather. So that's why yesterday we got some better rains. We got Kanakona and Sange, we got 2 centimeters drainage. And Kepe got light rain 2 millimeters and Marmagawa 0.5 millimeters.
Goa have finished 4th in the Under-19 Girls School National Games football competition. In the 3rd place playoff at Nagwa ground on Friday morning, the host went down to Maharashtra in the penalty shootout. Maharashtra won by 3 goals to 2 in the tiebreaker as both teams failed to score in the regulation and extra time. Earlier, Goa had lost to Haryana in the semi-final by 2 goals to 0. And with this, we come to an end of this news bulletin. Keep watching Prudent.
तुम्ही पळयतात प्रुडंट. You're watching Prudent.